So I sat down and read these notes. You know, it goes on to state that my birth parents were horrified by my appearance. It says that my birth parents, you know, left 36 hours after I was born. You know, that was hard. I was born with a condition called Treacher-Collins, which affects my appearance. I met Jean, who fostered me at 2 weeks old, and she adopted me when I was 5. Looking back at high school, I have so many amazing memories, but behind those moments, there was me trying my best to fit in. The older kids would pull their eyes down. They would sing or make chants up about myself. As I got older and people started getting into relationships, that kind of didn't really happen for me. And that's when I developed so much hate for my face. I wanted to hurt them as much as I was hurting. I was in a really, really dark, angry place when I thought about my birth parents. I wanted to reach out to them to let them know that I was okay and I was happy. So we wrote a letter, and then a couple of weeks later we got a letter back, and it simply said, "We do not wish any contact. Further attempts will be ignored," and both of them had signed it. Being rejected by those two people again, it hurts. Years ago, I was asked to do a school talk. A couple of kids came running over and they were like, "Jono, I don't know my mum and dad. Jono, I get bullied because of X, Y, Z." Right there in that playground, I was like, I need to do more of this. Over the last 2 years, I've been working on my very first book, Not All Heroes Wear Capes. And it's about the heroes that I met in my life, and ultimately I became my own biggest hero. Truth is, my life has been full of a lot of love and a lot of adventure.